Oh. You like the holiday?
Dance ka lang yan. Anak ka sa beach, oh. Na, kato sa ano, God. Pero shell mo, sige daw. Kaya mag-Lilo and Stitch ta. Na, Lilo and Stitch.
There you go.
Kana. 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Tagal naman mag-ano.
Daddy, let's go down.
Wait lang, bublay. Wala ka.
Excited na kasi sila. They're so excited. We just arrived. We need to log in first, just like the game. Before we go to swim, we need to log in first.
Maybe we have to bring our stuff.
Yeah, you have a lot of stuff. Why you bring so much stuff?
Mermaid. Lolly.
Wala pa?
Isa ka po. Oh.
I-vlog daw niya.
Ay, tita Nicole, nag-swim na. Nag-swim lang sa pool. Can I swim sa pool? Look at this.
Dari mo, naibutan nga na gamit. Patay na.
That's our bedroom. That's our bedroom, girls.
I'm going to the swimming pool.
Your bedroom is right over here. Wow, ganda nila, oh.
Team Black. Can we eat first?
Thank you, God!
Oo,
Mommy,
pakanin.
floating in your pen. In your pen.
Ang isa dito. Ganyan po sa iyon ba?
Hindi na siya sa ano po, sa pool ba? Hala!
Bawal mag-isa po.
Bawal maging sa pool. Nainaya po siya magbugal ha. Imanig pa siya na ba? Okay lang, charging for. Lima lang. Okay, barato kay gamay.
Let's eat. I don't really talk too much, but yeah, this is the first time that I'm going to talk a lot. Yeah, welcome to what the name of the resort again? Almehas Resort here in Samo Davao. And this is the annual family outing together without our pets, but it's sad, but we can't bring our pets here. Right, Louie? She's the most beautiful.
Me.
And the camera girl also. Kaon kay maghatag kuan maghunting taog fish dito. Hunter man kay si daddy mo si daddy magkatch og fish.
Daddy, are you hunter fishing?
Yeah.
Tara, ako.
Ano ba?
Ano lang na naman.
May bayan ka, may urot talaga.
Anong gakaon lang. No.
Kay daddy? Kuha niya?
Snow on the beach, weird and fucking beautiful.
Lalaro-laro ko lang yan. Tara.
Anong puffer fish?
Ano? I see the puffer fish. Come on, Donna.
Kuatong pantulog nila itong violet o kay Made.
I don't see the puffer fish.
Elisa na moron pa.
Where
Oh my
Eli?
God! Someone! Hey, look! Someone jump! It's a baby fish.
Where?
There's a baby fish jump. It's John, come on, Titoy. You have to swim with the baby fish. Swim with the baby fish. Swim with the fish. Come on, Ate. I don't think.
Swim kanina.
There.
Ay, dili di ka nag-swim?
Come on, going here.
Dito, with their mamila in the dilo.
Ano ta ate?
I-feel na kay video ni montage. I-point 5 na ko ha.
Ilis yung ilay o.
Sa baon. Down?
Sa beach. Masarap maligo sa beach.
Maligo ka sa beach? Beach ka po.
Di na lang kita yun. Nindot siya.
Talk to the vlog, Lai.
Hi, vlog.
Na. Where are you going?
We're going to the fish. It's there. Because there's so many of them. If you go there, you can touch them. Funny, transfer. If you don't touch a pocket, if you get down. I mean, you know, the nasa food. Ang way ba yung tiktak?
Na.
So spice. You don't go there, but
Where are the fishes?
I don't like to swim. How about we swim sa pool?
Nasa pool lagi.
Sindiri.
Ulo, uy, klaro kay kayo ang tubig.
My vlog, everyone, and I'm going deep under the ocean and find Nemo.
Ali natin.
Kids sa mata si mong goggles like, this is a kid's goggles. I just borrowed it from my niece.
It smells like salt.
Pwede mo guna ma-adjust, uy. Dagat man, dali na.
Lagi ka man.
It's so cool.
Ani? Dili, uy.
Pero, yaw. Pero, kita mo na mo. Hinahinay lang na.
Asa si Madi? Okay, mama.
Ayun, nag-anto diya. Kay bawal na diya. Bakaw na.
There's a spiky.
You will spike from your lulubot from you.
Parata. Alangan, dagat.
No.
Sige na, Lai, Sim. Oh, dito.
Mama! Mama!
Sabi ko.
Naka, juwanti ka.
Basura.
Lalo man di. Lili ka katakot?
1, 2, 3, ready, go.
Pag mermaid sa daw siya, dad.
Wala man ako. Tugdot kayo kaya kita mo ilalaw.
Oh, sige. What's your sentiments?
Nakakapagod pala mag-swim. Kasi yung ano ko,
Papa.
yung hangin ko, di ako pwede magtaga sa ilalim. Wala si Daddy Lu. Nag-swim si Daddy Lu. Dalawang drapang. Yun lang. Ipakaunta mo kayo ng kuya.
May coral pang.
Fish. Live.
Yung pang.
Dive gani ka. Ang ganda ng underwater.
Wala
May
palit
mga
lang
fish.
takagkuan.
Ate, ilay na lang.
Mag-ano ko float ko video ko.
Kamulahanin ni ko. Go.
Wait lang, I'll try your goggles.
I will try my goggles. Come on.
Ha?
Dito lang tayo.
Oh.
Alin po sa karong si Madi.
Hi.
Hello.
Asa man? Asa yung mga ginabidyo? Kano kami? Kamo. Kamo. Here go.
Picture ni Ate Ilan.
Please dito ate ilay kay ano.
Smile. Okay. Smile, Tin. Smile. Tin. Pa. Smile pang.
Ilay sa swimmer.
Smile. Sino to?
Ah! Nice shot! Ah! Let me see.
Ha? Pinukulbaan ko. Pinukunsa.
Kaya kay sa goggles gadi wong be.
Baro na sila dilo sa gagawin.
Salam na po ko sa imong goggles ate.
Sige na. Uy, yawe. Samanta pa. Wala man ko na siya nagtarong good. Ana. Ano mas datin? Ganahan ka din tapat papang dalitin.
Hindi na. Naka-picture na kadira.
Careless. Tapos careless na silanganan.
Yeah. I think you guys represent those two kissing up.
Saan man ni videographer?
Maka itong yung ano no, wali adlaw nani.
Bangon ko. Dali lang sa mo.
Mga tropa.
Bye.
Preparing for our checkout. Sunstick. For our protection from the sun. Nasa sulod sa siya. Puti siya? Maganda yung ilong. Pula kaya akong ilong. Nasunog.
Music, please. Yes, there you go. Here's the Bruno. Wait, but as famous, Michael Jackson ng Action Toy. Ipakita mo sa amin kung paano mag-Bruno. And tama na Apollo. Now Apollo, what do we do if we see a predator? In space. Patay. So that is their natural reaction, guys. They are doing that in the wild to fool their predators. So, nagpapatay-patayan sila. Isa pa ba? Isa pa? Isa pa rin Apollo. Bumalik yung ating na boy. Ang gagawin natin. Ilan, hindi naman. Ayan siya, guys. Boy, wala. Boy, sige. Tingnan nyo ito guys. Jumbo, Sakay, and Sika. Good boy, first spacer. Para Iron Man. Sika, Jipoy. Tapak yun, eh. Okay, ganda-ganda. Bullshit, kung marunong mo sila, Sika, Jipoy. Dahan-dahan lang kung yung table natin. Minor, and para lang. Good boy. As you can see, guys, even our animals love to learn more about nature. We can also do our part by doing the reduce, reuse, recycle, and repurpose, or some alternative ways for our transportation. And that's all for Jumbo, guys. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Frugivore. Okay, sige nga, kung nakikinig kayo, ano yun? Frugivore. Frugi meaning fruits, and vor or fruits meaning eater. So, frugivore, hindi pa gibar ha. Frugivore po, ano kang? Ayun, nakaulit sa'yo, act as a veteran, meaning it is prehensile in nature. The definition of prehensile is being able to grab. So they can grab sa mga objects na kasi lang ng ating mga kamay. Yes po, ganyan na ganyan na kalimangasin. Same sa mga mga kitipapakit ang military. Ngayon po, marga po ng jelly. Are you ready to show us your prehensile today? Ayan so guys. They are doing the throw-out to grab some fruits hanging from a branch. Palakpakan naman ang sinabi guys. Now guys, may direct our session again. To the right side naman. The reason that there is there in their names because they can stand up using their two hind legs. Ayan po, pinapakita lang po ni Uno. So that's their two hind legs in action. Thank you so much for that. Siyempre, si Teddy na din. Now guys, paano ko ba palawan bird nuts? Their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. There you go. Ang cute. That is the name. Our ball python. Wow, ang cute ito niya.
You want to touch it?
Ang flashlight ba?
And sa mga sikapan natin na hindi pa nakakalimutan sa park, we have scheduled for guided tour po. Kung gusto nyo magpa-tour,
Oh, what the f...
Kuha alay. Kaya mo pakain mo. Kaya mo yan ate. Sakit. Sige na.
Ate oh. Ganyan ate oh.
Ang gawin sila oh. Hala. Sakit ya?
Dili man kayo.
Dili man kaayo.
Di man siya sakit.
How about you, Matt? You want some? Nice yung ano, oy. Nice yung feathers.
Sige, move ka lang doon oh, para mag-ano siya sa'yo. Sige,
I want ice cream.
sige. Sige. Move, ganyan, go, move. Sige. Sige. Malapit naman. Si Maddie sigaw yun.
I want ice cream.
Me too. I want ice cream.